hard fork. We covered that on Tuesday, but just to refresh your memory, it's a set of upgrades that are set to happen to the Ethereum network. One of the major benefits is that it will increase the efficiency process in terms of speed of transactions and how miners are paid. One thing, some news that came out since the update on Tuesday. This morning, JP Morgan was reportedly started to pitch to its wealthy clients an in-house Bitcoin fund, and the firm's private bank clients are being offered a passively managed fund in partnership with NYDIG. Next, an important one as well, Google has revised its ad policies to allow cryptocurrency companies to advertise on the internet giants network once again. The new ad policy comes after it banned the crypto companies, if anyone remembers that, and ICOs from advertising on its platform in March. So that's a good way to get things started. Morning, Roy. So I want to actually quickly jump into this one because it's a trade that I'm monitoring, and I think my order has just been executed. But yeah, so today's watch is both morning trade tricks, morning Roy. So both BTC and Ethereum are starting the US session down over 4%. One thing, something that I've been watching, Solana is backed by billionaire Shamath. I can't pronounce that last name. He's an influential billionaire, especially in the social media and the Twitterverse, and it's the strongest crypto up to date. It's currently up over 6% as we speak. When I did this, it was up 2.5%, but I will bring it up and show you guys. It is a strong breakout. It's a small size trade, and yeah, I'll get into it in a second. Next, we're looking at Bitcoin for a daily long play over 40K if price holds the 37.5K level, which it just bounced off of. However, if we break and hold below that level, I'll be looking for a short setup. And then Ethereum, I am biased to the long side. Again, this is another one that has dipped and rejected and bounced slightly. And I'm looking for a long over the 2700 level. However, a break and hold below 2500 would, I would switch biases and look for a possible short. So again, all crypto connected stocks will also likely be in play today. So let me head. Let's start with the Bitcoin chart. This is the daily chart here. As you can see, the major support area here is at 29K, and resistance was around 42,500 area from the last spike. So you can see this huge level of momentum into that 42,500 area and a pullback play. So I'll highlight it here. So we spoke about this yesterday, actually, in the Crypto Star Trader. We went through this, the reversal or the pullback play with trend. It's a reversal setup where you have that level of momentum, and when price is kind of easing and pulling back as persons take profit and it gets ready for the next leg up. So this is something that's kind of forming. I have my eye on it, especially on Bitcoin with that 37.5K level. You know, if price continues to stay above it and defend it here, hold above it, then it gives me a lot more confidence. And again, as we spoke about in Star Trader yesterday, multiple confirmations. You want the momentum on your side, you want the trend, and you want most of the participants on your team. So here you can see the momentum, and here's the pullback. So that 40K level has a seller pressure. It is a psychological round number for a lot of people. You know, it is a whole number, and I think that if we break above that level, then we would get a lot more buyers stepping in. Yes, Tratrix, yeah, that's exactly what we were talking about yesterday. Yeah, exactly. And yeah, so let me bring up my chart here. Sorry, let's bring that up for you. Duplicate. See if I can bring it into the screen share. So this is Solana, guys. This is a 4-hour chart. So It's not a crypto I trade very often. It's it is becoming more and more popular ever since it got the traction from the from Shamath, and a lot more people have been watching it, so it has a bigger audience. So as you can see here, this is a 4-hour chart, and it's a 4-hour setup. So we broke this resistance level, went up, and came back and tested it. Again, we spoke about this in SAR Trader yesterday, the support and resistance role reversal. So where resistance was here, broken, and then price comes back and tests it and forms a level of support. That's what you want to see, and that's a confirmation that I love to see, especially with trend and a pattern. You can call this inverted head and shoulders if you'd like. And yeah, so it was a trade that it triggered. Unfortunately, it triggered before the chat was open. So one thing here, you can look to get involved over 38. I am in very small size though, because again, I've traded this crypto or this ticker very few times, and it is slightly spready for it. It has about a 60-cent spread. So take your time with it. And my goal is so my risk, I'm in at just under 38, and my risk is at 35.50. So I'm looking for approximately 2.5 points for my first partial, and then see if I can ride to take off half, and then see if I can ride the rest there. But again, it's just small size. But the real trade I'm looking for is in Ethereum and Bitcoin. Let me just go back to it. I'll type the trade in the chat as well. Yep. So here you go. This is Ethereum. So I'm looking for some level of confirmation at the close of this candle probably, and then we can probably get long here over this 2650 level for a rise, or for price to reverse over this level over the 2700 and break towards 2800. And Bitcoin, this is the 4-hour as well. So here is the 37,500 level that I'm speaking about. If we maintain this level, then I'll be looking at this 40K mark. This is more of a long-term setup I'm looking for to get long over and then take it through the 42,500 resistance. So it's a pretty active start to the US session for Solana trade tricks. Yeah, it's a pretty active start for the US session for crypto. And yeah, that's it. And just a reminder as well, guys, today's Star Trader Day 3, we will be covering position and risk management in crypto, as well as crypto day trading and swing trading strategies. Looking forward to that. Looking forward to have you guys again on another productive session. And yeah, that's all from me. And stay tuned for Yogi. Thanks again, guys. See you and take care.
Thank you so much, Craig. Again, very, very interesting. Very interesting. Thank you for it. And let's start with today pre-market picks. Actually, I took a swing trade. Anyone watch my swing picks this week? Maybe can tell what's the swing that I took. I think 20. That was it. Yeah. Exactly, Lucif. I stayed there, and actually, SSYS, it's not a good day trading stock, but now because of earnings, it's moving up. That means that we should follow which one? Yeah, me too. If SSYS is moving up, which stock we should follow? Triple D, exactly. Let's open the camera as well, just a second. Okay, guys, and yes, Triple D killed me yesterday, but I survived it. I survived this spike, and I closed it with a loss of 1,100. And yeah, David, that's the problem with extended strategy, that you can trade the same stocks day after day, and you should avoid the revenge trading. But AMD is still extremely extended, so we'll talk about it. But guys, today, it looks like the COVID is over because all the COVID-19 stocks are moving down sharply. But first of all, DDOG moving up sharply because of earnings. We have MVIS moving up, very easy stock to trade. And guys, let's talk about Etsy, which is a COVID-19 stocks. Etsy gapping down sharply today after earnings. We have Roku gapping down after earnings. It's not COVID-19 stocks, but you can find it related to people staying at home, okay? Because it's the streaming that comes with the TV that you're buying. So Roku is moving down, Etsy is moving down. I'm going to follow Triple D, although right now the gap is pretty small, but because of SSIS, I'm going to follow it. We have Fiverr. Fiverr, guys, it's a COVID-19 stock. And if you are watching Fiverr moving down sharply, and Fiverr, it's not an easy stock to trade. What should we trade? Similar stock to Fiverr. Come on, guys. Who knows? If Fiverr moved down sharply, exactly like SSYS in Triple D, Fiverr moved down sharply. It's not an easy stock to trade intraday. Another company that's probably doing the same thing as Fiverr is, let's see who knows. I think that it issued a few months ago. Anyone knows? No, FSLY. FSLY is not yes, exactly. Upwork, UP. Upwork, guys, it's a freelancing company, and we're gapping down because of Fiverr. So it's going to be interesting to follow. Actually, beautiful daily chart for short in Upwork. So again, we're taking the big stocks that are moving down, and we're trading it in the sister of its stock, which will be Upwork. So we have Fiverr and FSLY. Whew. Guys, FSLY, one of the biggest companies, the biggest winners of 2020. Yeah, the stock moved from 20 to 135. And now, wow. Guys, I know many people that bought FSLY at 80 here after the earnings and added at 60. What can we say? Because they told me it's a very good company. They're working with TikTok. It's a cloud-based. It's amazing platform. FSLY, Fastly, it's an amazing company. They are working with the cloud of Apple. I heard so many reasons why I should invest in FSLY. Luckily, I didn't. And guys, just imagine all the people that bought the deep, how deep it can get, right? So FSLY, ugly daily chart, a lot of pain. Okay, so moving down 17% today. And also Fiverr, guys, all the COVID-19 stocks are crashing today. For momentum, we have RBLX, we have American Eagle, my pens from American Eagle today. I'm going to follow RBLX, AEO, and Akamai. Take a look at this beautiful daily chart of AEO and Akamai. Extended, I'm not going to talk about it. We have Tesla, AMD, and mRNA. And one short squeeze stocks for today, CWH. CWH, we have 17% of short sellers in it. Yeah, David, I'm not touching wood. Beautiful cup and handle on its daily chart, and we just moved above it. And actually, that's it. So again, we have a lot of big movers pre-market, but I'm not going to trade DDOG. I'm not going to trade Etsy. I'm not going to trade Fiverr. And that's it. That's all for Green Day. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 IPOs today. I think 4 priced, so let's follow. And after a small red day yesterday, which was a gift because I was minus almost 6K yesterday, so I survived it. Let's hope to finish today in green. So guys, thank you for listening to my pre-market picks. I'll see you in 10 minutes and good luck today. Thank you.
good morning and welcome to the Tradenet Trading Room on this beautiful Thursday. We are looking into the weekend, and you know what? We have had 4 straight green days. It's been tough. It's been work this week, but we've got 4 green days in a row today. Great trading yesterday into the close of the day. Turned this thing around, some big moves yesterday, finished up nicely after being red, little green in the morning. We're going to try to prevent that this morning, hopefully by picking the right stocks today on this Thursday session. I want to welcome you to the Tradenet Trading Room. Welcome to everybody here in the room and on social media, on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, StockTwits, and YouTube. And if you're on YouTube this morning, got to hit that like button so that we can continue the feed after 11 a.m. this morning. So again, we're looking for 600 here. We'll get this room all fired up and ready to go. I've got my like in, and if you'll do that for me. Don, good morning to you on YouTube. Adrian, good morning to you, and good morning to the rest of the YouTube team out there. Thank you for joining us each and every day here in the Tradenet Trading Room. Well, Thursday, here we go in the market. Going to be a great day, and looking forward to trading today. How about Robinhood? Those of you that took it with us a couple of days ago and wrote it out, that paid off yesterday. I'm completely out of that stock. In fact, the stock, who knows what it's going to do today, but we're going to watch it. We're going to see if we can get a trade in it. But let's talk about the markets, bring you up to speed. Before I do that, remember, we have an incredible sale right now going on. The summer sale through the 11th of this month of August. All of you that are not in the US of A can take advantage of this. You can get some free stock, whether it's the PayPal stock, the Triple Q, or even Tesla, depending on what package that you purchase here. Again, all of that comes with training and everything that you need to be able to get involved and get trained and become a better trader. I'm here each and every day. Meir's gone this week and next week, and he'll be back the week after that for our Start Trader course. I'm looking forward to doing that. But let's get into the markets today. Let's get you set for what you need to know for the day. Yogi's done a good job. And Craig Nehemiah taking care of our crypto trading. And that is today, day number 3 today of crypto. And that's Start Trader Crypto. That starts at 3:15 today with Craig Nehemiah, our analyst for crypto. Let's start with Asia in the overnight session. We saw the Nikkei up 144, Shanghai and China down 10.67, and Hong Kong Hang Seng down 221.86. Europe this morning mixed as well. German DAX up 18.68. FTSE in UK down 13.42. CAC 40 in Paris up 23.28. You combine that with Asia, you got 3 markets up, 3 markets down. We're split. And we're up here in the US of A. Dow futures up subtly, up 58 points. S&P futures up 8.75, and the NASDAQ futures up 23.75 this morning. Oil up 6 cents, not a big deal there, up to 68.21 a barrel. And gold down 80 cents to 1813.70 per troy ounce. Platinum, palladium down, silver and copper up. What's happening out there? Robinhood coming back down to reality after a monster move here this morning. Moderna in the news here saying that its COVID vaccine booster produces a robust immune system against the Delta variant here. And then continuing jobless claims hit a new pandemic low, right? That's good, falling below 3 million. So that's why we've got this future moving higher, and that's a good thing for the market. 5 IPOs today. We're going to be on IPO watch. Do us a favor. If you see any of the IPOs come on, make sure you bring them up to my attention or whoever's leading the room at the time. 3 sessions today. Morning session, which you're in right now. Lunch session coming up at 11:30. And afternoon taking you all the way through the closing bell till 4 o'clock. I'll be here to do that today on this beautiful Thursday. So again, as we get into the day today, just want to make sure that everybody is ready to rock and roll today and ready to go. I think today, if I'm not mistaken, Clifton, we do have a mentoring session today, and I believe that it is myself doing the mentoring today. We're going to look and see in the calendar, make sure that everybody's prepared for the day today. Mentorship with Scott Malatesta, that is today at 3:15. So if you're not in crypto, you're going to be with me today at 3:15. I will remind myself I've got to get that prepped here over lunch and ready to go, and then we should be good for today at 3:15. I'm looking forward to it. Always get excited to be able to teach and give back. That's today at 3:15, mentoring with myself. Okay, enough of that. Let's talk about stocks. But before we do, let's say good morning to everybody here in the room. Victor, good morning to you. Thanawat, good morning. Steve B., good morning to you. Great to have you here this morning. Hussein, good morning to you. Brian, good morning. Victor, good morning to you. Sydney, good morning to you. Avatek, good morning. Jordan, good morning to you. Salam, good morning. Yes, absolutely. We'll take a look at FSLY. Let me just see FSLY. I think Yogi talked about that as well. Yeah, to the downside under 34. And then your other one was DDOG. DDOG. Yeah, looks great. I'll keep DDOG up here. Let's make sure that it is tradable. I believe it is. It is. We'll pull that one down here. Thank you for pointing that out this morning as we get started. Okay, we'll take this one here long, and we'll get to that in just a minute. Thank you up so much. All right, Danny's in the house. Surya, good morning to you. Javed, good morning. Surya, good morning to you. Jens, good morning. Good morning to Javed. Surya, good morning. And Ryan, good morning to you. Nice and patient today. That's true. Seth, good morning. Jorge, good morning. Taman, good morning to you. Naraja, good morning. And Julio, good morning. And Ben Cure, good morning. And good morning to everybody out there on social media this morning. All right, let's take a look here. We're going to add our first announcement here, and this will be for the short here of Hood under 62. Let's see here, HOOD, short under 62 this morning. Oops, I painted that one green, meant to paint it red. Let's go back again. Hood short, HOOD, short under 62. We'll watch that one here this morning. Also, Etsy this morning under 175, ETSY, short under 175. And then we'll go ahead and throw Penn Gaming in there under 63, although it is under 63 right now, short under 63. I haven't really had time to look at the DDOG, but I like it as a bounce over here off of 130 going long. We'll take it 131, and we'll see if we got some gas in the tank here over 131 on the long side DDOG. All right, also looking at Mara, Win, AMD, Tesla, XPEV, Marna, and NVDA this morning. All right, with me here, we've got Clifton and Gabe, our Tradenet support team, Michael Revi. You'll hear from him at 11:30 today. Yogi's in the house. Danny's here. We are about ready to have a great time today. Thank you for joining us. All of those on YouTube, hit that like button. We'll remind you throughout the day. 10 seconds left before we start this day. And here we go into a Thursday session. Let's have an awesome day today, traders. I'm looking forward to trading today. And here is the opening bell, DDOG, obviously looking good this morning. And here we go. All right. We'll take it over DDOG long over 130 this morning. DDOG long over 130. We'll watch that. Really spready right now. Hopefully the spread tightens up a little bit. I'm going to take a quick trade on this one here as we start the day. Etsy gets over this 180 for us to take a short. Watch DDOG coming up on that 130.
Hey, Scott, good morning.
Should be a really good entry here. Yogi, my man, good morning to you, my friend. How are you?
I'm great.
Good to hear. Take an early trade here on the DDOG 130. 2-point stop loss down through 128 if we get it here. Okay, Etsy coming along. Going for day number 4 of profitability today. Again, watch this market. We're going to start off with a little move to the upside, and we'll see if that lasts at all. Penn moving down here this morning.
Following Triple D, I'm following AMD. Thinking about Triple D above 2680.
I'm long the stock here. Let's see what we can get out of it here. Didn't get a great fill on DDOG. How about your AMD finally coming down to reality there, Yogi?
Yeah, I'm not in it. I almost took it under 117.
I didn't want to bring it up this morning. Yeah.
I'll wait for a pullback.
Where do you think it goes today? 114? 114 maybe?
Well, I think well, now it's bouncing. Almost took it under 117, but second minute, I mean, following FSLY, it's like obvious that we're going to see it breaking under 34, but it's still spreading and volatile. I'll wait.
Break a 128 DDOG. Again, smaller share size to start the day here because I can always add to this trade if we get up and go. I think AMD is in trouble today. I really do.
Oh, triple D, I missed it.
Okay, Etsy this morning, 178. I'm going to take it to the downside here. Etsy short 178.
I'm thinking about ZM short because of what's happening to the COVID-19 stocks. ZM, and let's see Peloton.
Yeah, good thought there.
Yeah, Peloton. I'm going to short Peloton. I will start with it. $118.50. I'll take small share size and I'll add under 118.
Okay, watch the Etsy trade here. You're going to enter Etsy at the 178 break. You know, I'll add under 175 if we get a break here to the downside on Etsy. I'm going to add under 175 if we do get it. Entry 178. ZY is halted.
Now AMD is moving up.
Interesting.
Let's see it above 117 and then spiking lower, and then I'll take it. I'm going to take Peloton under 118.50 and I'll add under the lows.
Any news on ZY at all, traders? Was a $40 stock.
That's why I didn't short AMD at the opening.
DOG hanging in there.
So,
okay, traders, PEN at 65, PENN at 65 short. This one looks good here as a rollover. I'm already in the DDOG trade, PENN.
Scott AMD 117.
In cover point here. Yeah, I mean, I think I'm with you here. 117 break AMD. You got it posted. I'll take this trade with you. Okay, so far I am short Etsy. I am going to be short AMD and I am long DDOG and I'm short PEN, PENN. So there you have it. Lot of cash out there right now. Let's see if we can get AMD to go. No reason why AMD can't be below that 116, 115 area today.
Peloton getting close, guys. I'm shorting AMD. I'm going to short Peloton soon.
And it'll be over 66 for my stop loss. Etsy coming along real nice right now.
Shorting Peloton.
You know, like Etsy below 176. Come on, AMD, work for us now. Work for us, baby.
I'm going to add in Peloton, guys, under 118. Peloton under the lows added. The S&P is moving higher, but
look at AMD, Yogi. Come on, baby.
Yeah. Also Peloton, both of them working now. nicely.
Etsy as well. Just have some patience today, but make sure you have your stops in here. I'm going to get stopped out of DDOG here fairly soon. Had it at 128 and I'm out of the trade. DDOG stopped out. So I'm starting the day red, but AMD will quickly move me out of red. It's had 300 shares of DDOG. And I will still take this trade, this DDOG trade. I still like it. You watch Penn.
Okay, I'm going to take triple D above 27. Let's see ZM. Okay, maybe ZM under 396. No, missed it. But Peloton moving down nicely. AMD rejected from the VWAP. Nice, Peloton. Nice, nice, nice. ZM, we will catch later. Let's see FSLY. Move to 34 again. Yeah, FSLY under 34 looks amazing. Can't believe FSLY 34, guys. That was what? 200, 125, 140. Wow. AMD, like always, moving against me. But Scott is with me, so let's wait.
Yep.
Yeah.
I'm short Penn. I'm short Etsy.
I took triple D for a long triggered. FSLY is going to break. Yeah, broke. 34.
Look at Marna. Wow.
Wow, mRNA, another green day.
Yeah, Etsy just over that 180 mark here for the stop loss. So it's just there right now. Going to give it a little bit of breathing room.
Guys, triple D. Move to a new high. Nice breakout. Wow, mRNA.
Crazy, right?
Okay, triple D. AMD, I'll add under 116.20, guys. I'm going to add in AMD. And today I'm adding while I'm in profits under 116.20. Post it. Triple D, nice.
AMD looking great. Still in Penn.
I missed the ZM short.
I'll need the Etsy level too. Watch this ZY. Wow. I don't even know if it's tradable here. I guess I should look. It's not tradable.
Guys, triple D, beautiful move. Still full share size. Let's wait. I'm going to add in AMD. Both the Qs in the S&P are green right now. You took it, Jamie. ZM, nice. Yeah, the COVID stocks today moving down, guys. That's a good sign. That's why we're shorting Peloton. I'm added.
Okay, traders, I am out of the Etsy trade with a loss.
Added in AMD.
Out of Etsy with a loss. Try to hold on to this one here.
Come on, AMD. AMD will move under 115 today, guys. Today is the day.
Salam, you're never an idiot when you're taking profits. Profits are good, my friend.
Triple D. What I have to do with the letters. Guys, AMD, the lows is 115. We are more than a point, and we added. Let's be greedy, okay? Let's be greedy in triple D, in AMD.
Well, 2 losing trades, and then we have AMD and Penn. Remember, Penn, I'm into Penn at that, what is it, 64 or $65 short here, and I'll cover at 64 if we get there. Come on, AMD. I want to see the low of the day flush out here.
Salam, exactly right, you know. mRNA moving like pharmaceuticals. Wow. Guys, triple D. Easy 40 cents. Let's take our first
Would
target
agree,
above
Mario.
27.50. Peloton moving against me. Come on, AMD. Next target 115.50. Peloton now red. Triple D, guys. I'm going to take my first target above 27.50. Scott, how much AMD owes you after yesterday?
Well, AMD about 2,200, 2,100. And all we got to do is get below 115
Yeah,
here.
well, we'll see. Maybe the 112 I talked about yesterday. I meant today.
You said 112. You said 112 yesterday. I think that's where we need to head for sure.
Spike down in triple D. I'm still in this trade. Peloton rejected from the VWAP. And you know what, Scott? I think the entire room is short in AMD right now with us.
Mm-hmm. I sure hope so. And I will add under 115, Yogi.
I added under 116.20, so I'm with full share size right now. Hoping to see it under 115 soon. Yeah, shorty, me too. And
40 cents to go.
Dennis posting wafer.
Let's see.
Come on, AMD. Come on.
That looks great here.
Come on. 12 cents. 9.
Here's
8.
the ad, 11 cents.
Come on. Die. $115.05. Actually, we moved under the lows, which was 115.10. I need to take my first target actually right now in AMD, but I'm going to be greedy today. Triple D, I was up 1 to 2. Now at my entry point, Peloton moving down nicely. AMD, come on. Drums.
20 cents, 19 cents. Come on.
I think it will be 114.70.
A DDOG 130.50. Come on. I want to see 134 on DDOG. Yep, I took it slow. We'll see.
Jamie, I'm with you in Peloton. Okay, triple D. Nice bounce from the VWAP. 27.50. Let's see. Okay, AMD. That's it. And 114.70. Come on.
DDOG looking great now. I've got you. Come on. 134. 134 or bust on DDOG. Well, look at Etsy. Always say the first
Come on, 5 cents.
the first time you can get out of a trade, the better you are, and that's exactly what it is with Etsy.
Who is buying AMD? Come on, let's go.
Come on, 115. Break it down now. Here comes our pen trade. This is going to be nice too. Little patience this morning has paid off now. Got a point on pen, PENN, and more.
Approaching all-time high.
Come on, DDOG. One more dollar here, DDOG.
Should have taken my first target in AMD because
134 or bust.
I'm up nicely.
134 or bust.
Wow, Peloton is now red. And guys, we're approaching all-time highs in the queues.
There we go. There we go. Come on, baby. 30 cents to go. DDOG, I got you. I got you today. You got me first, I got you second. And I got you for more than what you got me first. Dog. Come on, 134. Not going to give up on you. 134. Come on. Come on, AMD. This is the last gasp for AMD.
Yeah, let's hope. Bounce 1 point in
I hope we see that 114.
seconds. Triple D is playing with us.
Wow, VNE. What's the news on VNE? Anybody know?
Qualcomm.
Something happened.
Yeah.
Giovanni, do you know?
Qualcomm offers to acquire Pioneer for 37. Can't believe I missed my swing in my swings. Cook. Amazing daily chart. COOK. Missed it. I'm thinking to close Peloton above 119, but I'm not going to place out stop loss there. It's a spread stock, and we're still trending lower. Triple D, 2 cents away.
Shares, I'm taking the partial here at 76 on DDOG. 3/4 of the trade out DDOG. Waiting for AMD. Waiting for AMD here now.
That's it. Come on, AMD. The entire room is shorting you. Guys, who is shorting AMD with Scott?
So VNE
with me.
reports.
Write 1 if you're shorting AMD. Write 1. Come on, let's see how many people are shorting it. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. More than 100 people, and I think I saw 100 once, and AMD 114.70. Like I said, I'm going to take my first target.
There we go. Nice breakdown. Congratulations, Yogi. Nailed it.
Okay, I'm up big. I'm going to take my first target right now. I don't want to see AMD moving above 118 today later. Okay, just took my first target in AMD. And Triple D moving up. Another green day. The only one that is messing with us with is Peloton. Nice, Kevin. Triple D, first target right now. And that's going to be a green day for me. Took big share size in AMD. Actually, I started with small share size, but I added for a big share size. Triple D, nice 60 cents move. And even if I'm stopped out in Peloton, although I added, it's not going to be painful. And Triple D.
Traders, 100 more shares out. DDOG at 135 here. Just got it. 100 shares left on DDOG. What a move. So it got me for $2.20 on the way down, and I got it for $5 on the way up. So that's a pretty good exchange here. Pretty darn good exchange. That and AMD, and I was patient with the AMD trade, losing trade on Etsy, ETSY, and a winning trade on Penn, and I am covered up on Penn, all finished with that trade out every share. Okay, on that cross back up of 64.
Amazing, David. Amazing.
Okay, Yogi.
AMD approaching a new low. And Danny just made 10 points in W. Wow. What a beautiful trade, Danny.
Unbelievable. 270 entry, and you know what? When I looked at it, I thought, there's not a whole lot of volume in this trade, but you know what? For that stock, there's a bunch of volume there. Comes in, triggers over that 270 mark, 10 points. Killer trade, Danny. Killer trade.
Peloton. I'm going to close. No, I'll wait for a spike above 119, and then I'll place out stop loss in Peloton. Started very nice. Guys, Triple D, if you'll open the daily chart, next resistance will be 28. 20. And this stock know how to move. So Triple D, I will let it ride. Beautiful 70 cents in Triple D. AMD is bear flagging on the 114.50, and the only one that's moving against us is Peloton. Let's see it above 119, and then let's hope it will move sharply lower.
Remember, 5 IPOs today as well. Traders, if you are in YouTube land this morning, Don, the rest of you all there, hit that like button for us. We've got to get to 600 today by 11 a.m. Would appreciate your help there. Just smash that like button. I've already done it. Those of you that can do it for us, we would appreciate it. Get up to that 600. Get business taken care of early this morning. And AMD, here we go, Yogi. Maybe below 114.
Yeah, that will be my second target. I knew it's going to break 115, and we traded 114.70. I don't know how, but I knew it's going to touch 115 and 114.70. So I took my first target 114.90, and we are under the lows. Thank you, AMD. Under 114, I'll take another partial. Peloton is fading down. Amazing. Yeah, quick day, like Meir Barak, Julio.
Yep. Yep, Julio, great. Great job.
NVIDIA, okay. I thought, Chris, NVIDIA 270. Guys, anyone took the Triple D? DDD? Guys, pay attention. Craig posted a trade, Ethereum, long 26.90 with a stop loss and target. Very nice. Thank you, Craig. The SIF, triple D, that was an easy 80 cents. Take your first target. Let's wait with our second. Just a second.
Now, wouldn't you know it, Etsy's coming down to reality.
Hey guys, I'm back. Triple D, killing it today. W, the Danny posted, guys.
Incredible trade on
15
W2.
points. It's spread, but I think Danny probably took it with 2 points stop loss. Beautiful breakout. And 2 points in W, that's nothing. So a huge trade. Triple D moving up 1 point, ND moved down 2 points. Peloton, actually, I'm still red.
What's the deal with Triple D, Yogi? I thought Triple D's been in the been a stock for a while. It looks like an IPO.
I'll tell you why,
though.
because I took SSYS in my swing account at 20, and today moved up 50, now it's 10%. And SSYS, Triple D, same sector, same company probably. So that's why I assume that Triple D will bounce today.
I got you.
Peloton is still alive. One above 28, let's see. Okay, AMD. I didn't drink any whiskey today, guys, but I having troubles with letters today. So I meant to say Triple D above 28, not AMD.
Yeah, there it goes too. Okay, I'm going to take another pen trade here under 65.50. Craig Nehemiah's got an Ethereum trade also going long at 26.90 today. Those of you that are not involved with our crypto and you want to be, we've got some great Star Trader crypto version today at 3:15. Also, in tandem with that, I will be in the mentoring room today at 3:15. We're going to be talking about breaking down my strategy of trading. You don't want to miss that.
Guys,
as well.
second target in Triple D.
And 5 IPOs.
Second target in Triple D right now, and AMD, luckily, actually, I still have a big share size, so it's not good to see it moving against us like this, but it's touching the view up. And Peloton, where's Jamie? Jamie, diamond hands today? Where are you? You survived it? touched exactly 119, right? Yeah, 119 and
Okay, watch the short here on Penn. We will get stopped out of Penn above 66.25. Otherwise, I'll be sticking with this trade. Etsy coming back down to reality.
yeah. Peloton is in the queue. I don't think so.
I think Etsy probably sees 180 now. SCR? What's happening with SCR? Oh, wow. What's the news on SCR? That's incredible.
Penn, National Gaming to acquire SCR.
At $17 a share in cash. Wonder what the conversion is, 34 or 30 or something? It's incredible run with it.
Okay, I'm going to add in AMD under 115.70. Then I'll place out stop loss. AMD 115.70. I'll place my order and then I will post it. If it will move above 116.80, I will close it as well. Okay, I need to post it.
Could take it under 116 again on AMD. Remember, 5 IPOs today. 5 IPOs.
Okay, guys, I'm going to add in AMD. Peloton. Broke the lows. Survived a very strong pullback. Nice. And 116.80. I'll take my first target. So far, we have a huge winning trade in AMD. I didn't add. I'm going to add soon under 115.70. We have an amazing trade in Triple D. And Peloton moving down nicely right now. Okay, AMD.
And still hanging around.
Dead. Okay, Peloton, 117.08, 6. Boom. We are under 117. First target, 116.80, which is now. Let's see if the ask will move lower. going to take my...
Shoot, out of the pen trade with a loss here. No. I didn't hit the button. Wait. I'm going to wait till that 65 is broken here on pen. And then I will come out.
Okay, Peloton.
Almost. I just watched it here just shoot up here. I'm not going to get out on the spike. So hold on to pen, P-E-N-N. 25 was my original stop.
Okay, I took my first target in Peloton, guys. 116.90.
Thank you, Hussein.
AMD, so far looking good after we added triple D. We can move out stop loss on the last quarter, so I don't really care, 27.30. I'll do it right now, triple D. Nice adding in AMD. Okay, now I'm going to place out stop loss in triple D and AMD, 116.40. ZM, 400. I almost shorted at 96. Wow.
Mm-hmm. Could maybe buy it here at 400 as well.
Okay, AMD. I'm getting all my money back today.
Be nice if it saw 114.
Yeah, Scott, you added?
I'm watching SCR and
You added with us? Okay.
Yeah. Watch the 32 and then watch 3250 on SCR, Jordan.
Richard, and I dropped, let's see.
Still in pen.
I'm going to close AMD. Okay, guys, that's the last time I'm going to trade AMD and triple D at the same day. I'm going to close triple D and AMD, 1 point almost from our adding point, Peloton, bear stopped out from triple D. Let's see mRNA. It's always a good day to short mRNA, okay?
I'm waiting. Waiting for that AMD to hit that 114 mark right now. Waiting for pen to fall. Here it comes. Starting to roll a little bit.
Nosif, I hope you took the target in the triple D when I told you above 28. That was 27.90, but it was too extended. And now, wow, the Qs is ugly today. And we just broke to a new all-time highs in the Qs, guys. You know in how much? In 1 cent. Strong breakout.
That's good. Sets us up for more, though.
I'm taking another small target in AMD because I added again for a big share size and I don't want to see it moving against me. Already 60 cents since we added. Okay. So right now, last 1,000 shares in AMD. I'll wait with out stop loss 116.40. Triple D stopped me out and bounced. mRNA is
Come on,
mRNA is all
AMD.
over the place, and it's pretty risky stock, guys. But today's low is 403. In pre-market, that was 390. I took my target in AMD 115.20 too soon. But still 1,000 shares though, so I don't really care. Ethereum that Craig posted went up nice. And Craig just moved his stop loss in the Ethereum. Nice trade, Craig.
Traders, again, if you want to join Craig today, this is at 3:15 this afternoon, talking about Star Trader crypto course. And Craig, why don't you, if you can come in here vocally and maybe talk about that trade. I know you're into the trade there at 26.90, maybe where it's at right now. If we did break out, if we're at 2,900, sure, come on in. I can actually check it here. I showed it at 27.63.
Wow, I thought about mRNA short, but 419, but I decided that's too risky. Yeah, Javad, I'm going today. And yesterday, you know, although I lost 800 yesterday, I felt very bad after yesterday trading.
Hi, traders. Can I get a sound test, please?
Hey, Craig, sounds great.
Sound great, Craig?
Let me just get my screen ready. I'm also in a Solana trade, which we spoke about. I spoke about it especially at length with Trade Tricks. I hope they're still in it as well. Oh, wait, one sec. I'm sharing my screen. There we go. Thanks, Trade Tricks. Yep. Should be able to see my screen now, guys.
Yep, there you go. Wow, what a move.
Well, this is Ethereum here on the 1-hour chart, guys. It's now at over 2,800. So, yeah, essentially this morning when we were speaking, I kind of highlighted it. So, you know, one of my favorite setups is, as I said, and we spoke at length about it in Star Trader yesterday, is the role reversal of support and resistance. So yesterday, when I came on and I showed you guys this bit of consolidation here on this resistance level, and I was saying I'd look to get involved if we retested after we broke this resistance level, if we retested it. But unfortunately, yesterday we literally just went straight up. So, you know, I didn't see a setup, so I didn't get involved. You know, we just have to be patient and we take the best setups because we only want to take high probability trades and have the odds in our favor. So I just left it out. But this morning when I got up and I saw this candle here come down, retest this resistance level, the same thing we highlighted, and I said, okay, let's get ready for a trade. And I saw this short-term resistance become established here. And essentially, I posted the trade over 26.90 just to incorporate the spread on any fast moves. And we got in. It was a bit late, but we got in. And then after we broke this high here, yes, which was yesterday's high, I adjusted my stop loss to 2,500 round number, which is just under this spike here. And hopefully we can get a push through 2,800 and look to take a partial soon enough and ride out the rest as well. Because I do think long term we have the momentum on our team. We have as you can see here. Let me just go to the 4-hour so it looks a bit cleaner. You want the participants on your team, so you have the momentum, you have the trend. You know, dips are getting bought, so you want all of this. This is a 4-hour candle here. This is huge, and yeah, the volume is there as well. So we just want to, hopefully, it can continue and we can ride this thing out, and maybe crack the 3,000 mark. Let's see.
It'll be big.
This is Solana.
Big.
Well, also in Solana here, it's moving a bit slow, but it started the day as the strongest crypto. Ethereum and Bitcoin are both down 4%. Ethereum is now up, I think, let me check. I think Ethereum is up almost 2% now, reversing that entire, at the start of the US session, reversing that 4% down to now being up 2%. And hopefully we can get a lot more buyers come in. As I said at the start of the session, guys, it looks like we're in for an exciting day in the crypto sector, and I hope it turns out to be just that, but it's been a good start so far.
Okay, Craig, thank you so much. And traders, again, Craig Nehemiah supporting us with his vision here on crypto. Each and every day, Craig's here in the room making his calls just like we are on the equity side. So look at Bitcoin now.
Yeah, this is Bitcoin as well. I highlighted it this morning. So this is something I'm looking at long term as well with the daily. This psychological 40K round number mark here. If we can, settle today and the buyers show their resilience, and we can crack that 40K mark again, I think we can really get some momentum up to the upside, and then continue onwards. And just like, and what we'll be actually speaking about in Star Trader today is choosing the right cryptos to trade, day trading strategies and swing trading strategies, and looking forward to it. And also position management. So as you can see, I've adjusted my stop loss. That's something we delve into, how to manage your position and manage your winners, and maximize the trade to get the most out of it, and while limiting your losses as well. That's what we'll jump into today.
Okay, Craig, thank you so much. Traders, again, Craig Nehemiah, you're going to see him today, Star Trader Crypto, this afternoon at 3:15, and simultaneously, we'll have I was just watching here, during session with myself at 3:15. So those of you that are not in crypto, you can come over to go through the mentoring session with myself. Okay, Craig, you all set?
Yep, you can take back the charts. Thanks so much, guys. And I'm here if you need any advice. You can always PM me. I'll just respond as soon as I can.
Awesome.
That's right.
Okay, traders. Traders just came out of the pen trade here, half share size here down when it went through 65, and AMD pointing down in a hurry, Yogi.
Yeah. I stopped out from triple D and then it spiked higher. That was a mistake. I should have waited for a clear stop loss. So far, I'm still in Peloton in AMD. They start stop loss in AMD. In Peloton, thinking about mRNA, 419. No, Javad, like you said, I'm not going to take it. Triple D, tricked me.
And right back up.
Oh, Roblox. I think I forgot about it.
Look at ZY. Cooking now. You look at ZY on the daily, it's been as high as what, 50? I just stay away from that. It's not tradable anyway.
Roblox is not clear right now. Maybe to move to the VWAP and then we'll take it, but so far it's not that clear. Triple D. Bad trade management. Should have waited for this reversal. AMD, come on. What is the lows? 114.30. Okay. Okay, the Qs just moved to a new high with 2 cents and spiked lower 40 cents. The S&P is just moving sideways. Looks like a boring day today, except AMD that moved down 3 points with us. I think all the traders in the room today shorted AMD. That helped. Okay, now both the S&P and the Qs are aiming lower. Peloton aiming lower as well. Let's see Qualcomm.
Watching Penn here as well. I want it to get away from me. I still think Etsy's is short here under this 183 area. I'm watching this one close as well.
Yeah, actually, because you talked about VNE that Qualcomm offers to acquire VNE for 37. That means that VNE will move up and Qualcomm will move down. So we missed the short on the 146. Too late right now. See, Fastly. Wow, it broke 34? Yeah, it broke. Wow, that was a clear trap, right? Or a false breakdown. Losif, you survived this pullback in a triple D? In 5-minute chart, we should have waited. Because we placed our stop loss under 10.05 candle instead of 10.10. Okay, AMD, come on, 30 cents, you can do it. Let's see a new low. 20 cents. Let's see Tesla. Yeah, Tesla Isutala, it's extended also. Let's see. Wow. Wow, beautiful chart in Tesla. It's a little bit extended right now. So I can't take it after 25 minutes that it moved down because the pullback will be on me, but it looks amazing. And the daily chart also extended versus a bull flag, right?
Here comes your AMD, Yogi.
Yeah.
I just have 100 shares left on AMD. It's been a really, really good morning now. Penn, I'm just coming out of the rest of the Penn trade here. I'm watching it here. 167 will be my out with the remaining 100 shares. Trying to extend that Penn trade, and I just haven't been able to.
Yeah, Jamie, I'm with you. After I took my first target, move down my stop loss to 118.50. Okay, I'm going to remove triple D for my charts. I can't watch it. No. Why should we get? No, I don't think so. Took my first target 116.90. 10 cents from the lows. Okay, now, who asked about Tesla? Is Tesla now? Tesla is bouncing to the VWAP. Now it will be interesting to follow. Actually, it broke the
Hey,
lows
traders,
in 20 cents.
The only thing I have left right now is AMD with the 100 shares, and that's it. I was going to say Etsy under 183. I just don't know which way this is going to go here. Peloton.
Wow,
Yogi, are you in Peloton?
Yeah. F position, took my first target at 116.90.
Wow, DD. DD.
The S&P is moving sideways on the VWAP. The Qs is going to move to 69. And again, new all-time highs in the Qs. Let's see mRNA, which I thought to short under 419. Oh, wow, that could be a nice. Wow, 12 points. Sally. Actually 12 points, but with 4-point stop loss. You shorted it, Danny. Okay, you posted it? No. 419. Yeah. I said that was an easy short in mRNA, but so far I'm having a great day today thanks to AMD, Peloton, Triple D. Let's see, Triple D moved above 28. 20, of course. AMD having trouble with 114.50. Okay, AMD, 114.55. Come on. Yeah, the quizzes today, let's see, CCL, wow. After several great days, let's see. It's in my watch list that Lyft is killing it today. Let's see Uber. Yeah, Uber as well. Strong engulfing on its daily chart. AMD, guys, AMD. We're approaching the lows. 15 cents from the lows. I talked about Roku pre-market. What happened over there? AMD, we are under. Yeah, we broke the lows. Next target 114. Actually, Roku could be a good short and a good long right now. But I don't think I'm going to take any more trades. Peloton moving against me a little bit.
Look at Penn now. Wow. Look at ZY. Opens the day. ZY opens the day at $9 and it's $15 right now.
AMD. AMD.
Gonna break 114. You called it.
Yeah, I think we are break even. Actually, I'm green after all the fights with it. And we're under 114. Okay, taking 500 shares off. Let's count till 5. Above 114. Okay. Covered another 500 shares. And we just broke yesterday's low. Yes, yes. Yesterday lows was 114.16 and we just moved under it. Wow, triple D. Ah, I can't believe I closed it.
Wow. Can you believe that? It's happened to you more than once this week. Shoots all the way up to 29.50.
I closed it on like what, 4 cents? I'm extremely green today, so I can't complain, but that could be, let's see, SSYS in my swing account, nothing. Luckily, AMD is killing it.
I bet he wishes he did. Wow, Penn on the breakout. Never saw that coming today. PENN.
Yeah, watch the daily chart of Penn. Huge engulfing.
Take a look at it here. Yeah. Yochi, we can take off of here.
Yeah.
Okay. What about HOOD over 65?
Let's see, Hood. GME. Not watching GME no more. Yeah. GME, let's see AMC. Let's see BY, right? Meme stocks. Yeah, I think to close GME AMD as well, you know. I want to finish my day. I have a lesson in 20 minutes. Above 114.50, I'll close AMD. Last 500 shares, it's going to be a very, very green day for me. Whew. You're welcome, Jamie. Peloton still looking good. Yeah, AMD still moving down. The S&P is reversing higher. The Q is moving sideways. It's a boring day in the markets, but we took some amazing trades, guys. Took some amazing trades today. So we can't complain. I'm talking about amazing trades. I'm talking about the crypto trade as well. Targeting Peloton, well, I'm approaching the lows. We moved under the lows? No, not yet. Yeah, you think? AMD still moving down nicely, 500 shares. Peloton approaching the lows. And come on, 5 cents. Yeah, nice downtrend today in AMD. Well, we deserved it, guys. After yesterday, AMD moved against us. That was 117, 118. That was 180, 1750. Moved against us 5 points yesterday. After 5 points that AMD moved against us yesterday, today we started with 117. Then we added 116.20. And then we added again under 115.80. Amazing day for me. Yeah, then he's talking about BNTX, and of course, if mRNA is moving down, that's why BNTX will follow. If mRNA is moving down, BNTX, let's see, NVIX, still green, maybe it's a good shot, but I'm not going to trade those crazy volatile COVID-19 stocks. NVIX, BNTX, mRNA, and AMD is approaching the lows. Of course, Yachin. Okay, guys, I have a stop loss in Peloton. I will place it 118.50. I will move it to 118 in Peloton. And AMD, 114.50. Actually, I think, you know what, I'm taking another small share size right now in AMD because I think it will touch 114.50. So just covered another 250 shares, placing out stop loss 114.55 AMD, Peloton 118. Oh, 8. And that's it for me today. I'm nicely in green. What do you think about long DDD around 28? Well, I'm not, you know. After I closed it too soon, I'm not going to force myself, oh, I missed it, I will take it again. No, I will, when I'm finished to trade, I'm going all over my trades. And I'm saying, okay, Yogi, how can you manage this trade? How could you manage this trade better? So now if I watch the triple D chart, I will say, okay, I should have waited. I waited for a pullback, but I should have waited for a green candle and then to place my hard stop loss, because I placed my hard stop loss after 2 red candles, and then I spiked out on 6 cents, and I missed this 2 points almost, right, from 27.50 to 27.50 to 29. So that was a mistake, and I need to learn from it. So I'm not going to force myself, okay, Yogi, you deserve another trade in triple D. No, because mentally I'm focused in the first 1 hour, 1.5 hours to trade, but after the first 1 hour, 2 hours, I'm not taking any more trades, and if I'll take, it's going to be with a very, very small share size, small risk. So I'll wait for Scott to return, and then I will say bye to all of you. AMD broke the lows, yeah. Actually, 250 shares, maybe I'll wait. No, out stop loss, that's it. And I hope you guys did well today, because we posted some amazing trades here in the room. Still can't believe Danny posted W, and it moved up 15 points, one-way ticket. Beautiful trade. BNTX is going to be very interesting under 232. Peloton touched the lows, 5 cents from the lows and bounce. But I have already out stop loss, so I don't really care. Good luck, Achin. Actually, I just closed a trade in my swing account. If you remember, I took LFST. It was 2 weeks ago, 1 week ago, and I closed it right now. And that's it for me today. I'm green. I'm nicely green actually today, thanks to AMD and Triple D and Peloton. And I will see you all tomorrow, or maybe I will join even the mentoring session today with Scott. So that's it for me today, traders. Thank you, Scott, traders, Danny. Bye bye. Good luck.
Hey, take care, Yogi. Good to trade with you today. Enjoy the training. Okay, traders, that leaves you and I together here, and we are coming up on the 11 o'clock hour, and that means we've got about 180 more thumbs up. Those of you that are on YouTube this morning, hit that thumbs up button for us here. Let's put that over so we don't have to talk about it any further here. We can just concentrate on trading. Hit that thumbs up. Clifton's managing that. 600 is what we need. Do me a favor, just click on that thumbs up for us. We would really greatly appreciate it here. And looking forward to trading with everybody this afternoon. So hit that thumbs up. Let's quickly get that back up over 600, and we should be good to go. Now, I am out of the AMD. In fact, I am completely flat right now. I don't have a trade on. I'm thinking about DDD right now to the long side. Well, I think if you're holding the DDD, I think through 28, possibly be a great trade here. I'm going to list it. I'm going to pull this down here, and I'm going to take it 28.10 on DDD. That way we'll just have a little running room here on DDD 28.10. target's going to be 50 cents or 40 cents up to that 28.50 here. So we're going to come in here right now and buy it at that 28.10 on DDD. I mean, okay, DDD looking good. 28.50 is going to be my play here. Stop loss will be 27.50. Okay, Gregors, you take care of yourself.
Good morning, Scott, Yogi, everyone. May I get the sound test, please?
Hey, Michael, good morning to you. How are you?
Good. A bit disappointed with my swing trade in Robinhood, but you know, every party must end at one point. It's not like what happened yesterday was out of the ballpark anyway. So I think the smartest thing would have been selling the whole position yesterday at the open, but cannot take that idea back at this point. Anyway, still have a small position now, 225 shares, and it's not done with Robinhood. It continues to be amazingly volatile, liquid. A move over 65 today, and maybe the whole picture will change again. Other than that, the market is again trading an inside day. We are positive on the Qs, positive on the SPY. Nothing amazing, but you know, the move at all-time highs is still with us. I don't have an entry at this point, Jeff, on any trade in Robinhood. I was looking at 65, but you know, it's like so far away. Right now, it's trading at 62. I mean, it's not so far away for Robinhood. It's a power trade, maybe 64.50. Again, it's any trade here is going to be, you know, you need the perfect timing to make money on this stock. Definitely perfect timing. So on the positive side, COOK continues to be amazing. On the negative side, the Nikola continues to be, I don't want to say terrible, but it is terrible. I'm still in both trades with a small loser. Well, not a small loser in Nikola, but a loser and a big winner in Cook. And I'm ready to take a new trade today, but looking at the market, and we don't have, the only sector that I see that's really strong today is biotech and energy. We don't have AM.